post-eternality. Okay, we can say that human beings came into existence, but they will remain forever. There will be no end to their existence. What then is the difference between our eternality, because we will become eternal, we will perish, and then we'll be recreated. And when we're recreated and we enter into heaven and the unbelievers enter into hell, they'll be there forever. There's no moat, there's no death, there's no extinction, there's no perishing. So what then is the difference between our eternality and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's eternality? Anybody?
Is it possible for us to be described?
It's possible. That's one aspect. That's one aspect. It's possible. Our post-eternality is jaiz, not wajib. Our post-eternality is not necessary. It doesn't have to be that way. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has chosen for it to be that way for us. Well, He could have just placed us in heaven or hell for a period of time and then decided for us. Is it possible, like atheists, for example, and many scientists nowadays say that there's no life after this existence? Is that possible? It's possible. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala could have caused us to die and perish and just left it at that and finished. That's in the realm of the possibility. But we know that there's a resurrection based upon revelation, not based upon rational. It's not rationally necessary that we must be recreated. That's based upon revelation that we know that we'll be recreated. So that's one point, that our post-eternality is possible. It's in the realms of jaiz. It's possible. It's not wajib. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's post-eternality is wajib. What's another one? Another reason as well. And I nearly slipped when I said that. Right? Yeah.
Allah has given us.
That's the point.
That's the point.
Ours is created. Ours is reliant upon the eternality of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's eternality is independent. He wasn't given a quality called eternality. He wasn't given, but with the human beings, ours is made by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He created it. He will recreate us in the next world to live forever. Where did we get our eternality from? From Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's dependent upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So based upon that, we cannot compare our eternality to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We cannot say our eternality is divine. We cannot then say we're divine beings because of that. The divine being is one whose eternality is independent. I'm going to raise a very controversial question now. I'll raise a very controversial question. But it's controversial. A lot of people are going to fight over this issue. But we want to understand it in the cold light of Aqida. No emotions. Leave emotions aside. Does the Prophet know all things? Does the Prophet know all matters? We're not going to answer it. We're just going to discuss it from the perspective of Aqida. Does he know all matters?